Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore the design trends shaping 2026, what's emerging, what's evolving, and what you should watch out for. AI is evolving from a tool into a creative partner, helping designers generate ideas faster and explore new possibilities while focusing on creativity and storytelling. 3D design is embracing tactile, touchable experiences. Think soft, matte, puffy buttons and squishy interfaces that invite interaction. In 2026, digital spaces feel more physical, blending realism with sensory design to create immersive, engaging user experiences. Typography is breaking free from rigid forms. In 2026, liquid and experimental type flows stretch, warp, and move like living elements, prioritizing emotion and expression over perfect legibility. This trend turns words into visual experiences that capture attention and convey energy. Bento grid layouts bring structure and clarity to digital design. With clean, modular compartments and rounded corners, this trend organizes content into polished, adaptable blocks, making interfaces feel both modern and effortless across devices. Motion-led branding brings identities to life. In 2026, logos and brand elements are designed to move, breathe, and transform, shifting from geometric to organic forms to create dynamic, memorable experiences across screens. Mixed media and digital collage blend the tactile with the digital. In 2026, designers layer scanned textures, vintage prints, and handmade elements with sleek illustrations, creating rich, unique compositions that feel both nostalgic and modern. Ink trap fonts add a bold, technical edge to typography. With deep, exaggerated negative spaces in letter joints, these high-contrast sans serifs bring an industrial, edgy feel to digital branding and posters in 2026. Nature-inspired and elemental folk design brings calm, grounding energy to 2026 visuals. Soft, organic shapes, delicate botanical motifs, and earthy tones like moss green and warm terracotta create serene compositions, enhanced by textures that evoke hand-dyed linen and smooth river stones under gentle sunlight. Neo-brutalism embraces raw, unpolished aesthetics with high-contrast visuals. In 2026, this trend uses harsh palettes like electric yellow, black, and orange, paired with utility typography, thick borders, and chaotic layouts, delivering bold, rebellious impact without gradients or refinement. Utilitarian design strips away ornamentation to focus on pure functionality. In 2026, this trend features clean, minimalist layouts with perfectly legible sans serif typography, distraction-free interfaces, and clearly defined buttons, prioritizing ease of use, accessibility, and efficiency above all. Dopamine design harnesses saturated, mood-boosting colors to create energetic, attention-grabbing visuals. In 2026, this trend features electric blues, vivid greens, hot oranges, and bright pinks, blending playful abstract shapes and hyper-bloom effects to evoke joy, excitement, and instant engagement. Glitch and intentional distortion embrace digital imperfection as an aesthetic. In 2026, designers use strategic noise, scan lines, color channel offsets, and motion blur to create mystery, tension, and a raw, edgy vibe, turning errors into deliberate, expressive visual statements. Bold minimalism combines clean, stripped-back layouts with high-impact visual choices. In 2026, this trend uses assertive color blocking, like deep crimson, black, and white, paired with large, confident sans serif typography to create striking, focused designs that balance simplicity with strong visual presence. Quirky Kidult illustrations blend nostalgic, playful charm with mature design sensibilities. In 2026, this trend features friendly, toy-like characters with plush textures and bright, optimistic palettes. Think sunny yellows and mint greens, evoking simple happiness and joyful energy that appeals to both kids and adults. Maximalism and anti-minimalism reject less is more in favor of bold, expressive abundance. In 2026, this trend embraces visually dense compositions, layered typography, clashing patterns like animal prints and florals, psychedelic gradients, and chaotic structures to create energetic, unforgettable designs that celebrate complexity and individuality. Retrofuturism and Y2K evolution blend nostalgic early 2000s aesthetics with modern sophistication. In 2026, this trend merges clean layouts and precise grids with high-gloss chrome, iridescent finishes, and holographic touches, creating refined, futuristic designs that feel both nostalgic and elegantly contemporary. Authentically artificial design embraces intentional imperfections, wobbly lines, colors spilling outside boundaries, and faux pen skip effects, giving digital visuals a handmade, human touch in 2026. Gradients and chromatic blends create soft atmospheric depth with seamless color transitions. In 2026, this trend uses luminous, overlapping translucent shapes fading from deep dusky blues to warm amber peaches and lavenders, evoking calm, emotional harmony and visual richness. Sustainability-driven aesthetics embrace eco-conscious design with earthy, muted tones, recycled textures, and minimal ink usage, highlighting raw, resource-conscious organic visuals in 2026. Gamified micro-interactions turn everyday actions into rewarding experiences. In 2026, subtle bounces, satisfying loading transitions, celebratory badges, and star-triggering progress bars make interfaces feel more engaging, playful, and motivating. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Design AI Studio channel.